wanna do a track day? Do you wanna drive real fast?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Counter Steer Garage. We're doing another track day. This time going to NJMP Thunderbolt, not Lightning, Thunderbolt. Thunderbolt's the good one. Alright, so we're at NJMP, camping out. I got the tent set up. I don't even know if you can see it. It's dark, it's like 10 o'clock now. And one thing I didn't account for was the amount of air traffic. There's just a dude in a helicopter going overhead a million times. So I'm gonna have trouble sleeping, I think. Car's locked. It's time to go to bed. Good morning. From New Jersey Motorsports Park. The tent was okay. Could have been better. Could have been worse. Cheaper than a hotel. So I did the wheel swap last night in the dark. So that's done. Got all the trunk junk out this morning. Tech is supposed to be starting in like half hour or so. Samad should be here any minute. Samad made it. Hi, Samad. He's like, asshole. It's hot. So DE4 is out there now. I think DE3 goes up right after them, and then us. I've put pants on, and I'm ready to go now. Rubber whipping around, I thought I had a tire coming apart. So I pit in and then the checker came out. So the rival 1.5s are not enjoying this heat. What?
Classroom session.
Oh, yeah, we gotta go to the classroom session. Where's my phone? I was stuck behind that Supra. He wouldn't fucking, yeah, he wouldn't point by and then like he would drag you on the straights.
That's what he did.
Cockbag,
like on his
man.
fucking ass on the corners, like literally in his ass. Like he was like, I think I like this. I was like, yeah, you do. And then he let me by.
It's so wrong that it's right.
Like if he was like, pull your pants down right now, I'd be like, all right, sir. Sure, do whatever you want to me.
What's up? We're just admiring your work.
Thank you, man.
It makes no sense, but it's awesome. It's like fully
fucking out. This is how this shit came from the factory.
Yeah, I'm on for the qualifying. We do this.
So I'm bringing some of our skip barber strategy. We're swapping front to rear, trying to get some little extra something for this session. Well, that sounded bad.
No, it didn't. It's fine. Everything's fine.
Everything's fine. It's got more rubber on it now than it did when I got here. That's why I had these on the back.
Rubber chunks inside the rim.
My unbalanced tire got more unbalanced. I just saw a puddle under my car and got worried.
AC?
It's AC water.
A little bit of AC?
I left the AC on that whole session.
Yeah, just don't,
No grease here either. Oh, we're done. That means I can celebrate that my axle didn't break. Transmission, maybe not so much. Up. We're heading out now. Got a long drive home, probably something around like the what the fuck is it? Probably somewhere in the range of like 5 or 6 hours home. So we're getting a head start. We cut the day short. There's one more session, or there should be if it doesn't rain, one more session, but it's not until like 6 o'clock, and I'm not trying to get home that late, so we cut our losses. I got a 147.4, which I'm not sure if that's good. Leave a comment, tell me if that's good for a stock BRZ FRS and stock power. So I know there's a couple of guys like in the 30s that are boosted, but I don't know too much about the stock power guys. So leave a comment, let me know if that's good. We're about to go get some dinner because we haven't eaten yet today, and we're both starving. And we're home. Long day. Anybody that tries to say that track stuff is more seat time than autocross, I spent like almost $400. If you talk about fuel and tolls, I spent probably like $500–600 on this weekend, and I got a total of maybe like 35 minutes of seat time. As opposed to autocross, where for 55 bucks you get 6 minutes of seat, whatever. Autocross is better, and the seat time is of higher quality. That's the real key. Because driving around the track, just like aimlessly driving around the track, is boring as shit. But yeah, anyway, we're going to bed. Wait, I can't end it like that. Hit subscribe, hit like, share with your friends, comment, all that good stuff. I'll see you next Taco Tuesday.